Health champions, welcome to Healify Hub. Today, I'm going to show you a secret practice that can completely transform your body, protect your joints, and give you functional strength without any heavy weights or a gym membership. Imagine a practice that activates your muscles, boosts your balance and stability, and keeps you confident and mobile in your daily life. This secret is isometric exercises, a method Japanese elders have practiced for generations. It's the real key behind their incredible longevity. In this video, we'll teach you in 2 steps how these simple exercises can dramatically improve your posture, upper body strength, hip stability, knees, and overall mobility. Every step is carefully designed to give you maximum results, whether you're a beginner or have a moderate fitness level. Let's start with step 1, where we focus on your upper back, shoulders, and posture muscles. First, find a sturdy wall. Press your back against it. Bend your knees at 90 degrees and place your feet hip-width apart. Bring your arms out to the sides, elbows bent at 90 degrees, forearms pointing toward the ceiling, and palms forward. Now press your elbows, upper arms, and head into the wall without moving. This tension activates your rhomboids and middle trapezius muscles. Hold for 20 seconds while maintaining normal breathing. Relax, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat 2 more times. Over time, gradually increase the hold to 30 to 45 seconds. Doing this in the morning is most effective since your muscles are naturally relaxed, but it's also great in the evening to release the day's tension. Next, let's focus on your chest and shoulders. The door frame chest opener is a simple isometric stretch that lengthens the pectorals and strengthens weak upper back muscles. Stand in a doorway with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lift your arms in a goalpost shape, elbows bent at 90 degrees, and place your forearms and palms on the door frame. Step 1 foot forward and gently push your chest through the doorway. Now start the isometric hold. Press your forearms into the frame and squeeze your shoulder blades. Hold for 20 seconds with deep, even breaths. Repeat this stretch several times throughout the day, especially after cooking or working at a computer. It corrects common forward posture issues caused by modern lifestyles. Lengthening your chest and contracting your upper back muscles naturally improves posture and breathing. Want to make your isometric exercises even more effective? It's all about breathing. When you incorporate controlled breathing into every hold, something amazing happens. Slow inhalation and exhalation activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps reduce stress hormones and calm your cardiovascular system. This directly improves your blood pressure and oxygen flow. Think about it. Your muscles and brain get more oxygen, which boosts your functional strength and endurance. The goal of our first step isn't just about building strength. It's about developing posture, awareness, and coordinating your breath. All you need is 10 to 15 minutes a day. Practice the wall press and the chest opener exercises one after another. If you're a beginner, start by holding each for 20 seconds and then gradually work your way up to 45 seconds. Remember, consistency is way more important than intensity. Really focus on engaging your muscles and connecting with your breath during every single repetition. After you complete this first step, you'll already feel a noticeable improvement in the stability and control of your back, shoulders, and chest. Now, let's move on to step 2, where we'll focus on your lower body, hips, and knee stability. This is absolutely essential for balance and preventing falls. First up is the standing hip anchor. Find a sturdy chair or a countertop for support. Stand sideways and place one hand lightly on it. Lift your outside leg about 3 to 4 inches off the floor. Now, press your standing leg firmly into the ground, as if you're trying to push the floor away. Squeeze your hip muscles and keep that lifted leg perfectly still. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Rest for 5 and repeat it 3 times on each side. Make sure to keep your hips level and your core tight. This exercise is fantastic because it targets the gluteus medius, a key muscle for stabilizing your pelvis and preventing that wobbly, waddling gait. As you get stronger, you can reduce your support, maybe using just 1 finger, or even no support at all. This is crucial for walking confidently and smoothly. Next, we'll focus on the knees and quadriceps with the seated knee press. This exercise is simple but incredibly powerful for improving knee joint stability and reducing the risk of osteoarthritis. Sit on a sturdy chair with your back supported and your feet flat on the floor. Extend one leg forward, keeping it slightly bent, and point your toe up toward the ceiling. Now, Engage your quadriceps by pressing your heel forward while lifting your kneecap at the same time. Hold this for 10 seconds, rest for 5, and repeat 5 times on each leg. This move strengthens your quads and tendons, which directly improves joint stability and your ability to move functionally TB's part. You can practice this anytime you're seated at the dinner table or while relaxing in the evening. Beginners can start with 10-second holds and gradually increase to 20 seconds. Alright, let's get into the final and most important isometric exercise of step 2. The wall sit, breath hold. This one is fantastic because it combines lower body strength, core stability, and breathing control all at once. Here's how you do it. Find a clear wall and press your back firmly against it. Your feet should be about hip width apart and roughly 18 inches away from the wall. Now, slowly slide your body down until your knees are bent at about a 130-degree angle. It's crucial to keep your entire back, from your shoulders to your lower back, pressed against the wall the whole time. Once you're in position, let's begin the breathing protocol. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold that breath for another 4 seconds, and then exhale steadily for 6 seconds. If you're just starting, aim to hold the wall sit for about 30 to 40 seconds. As you get stronger, you can gradually work your way up to a full 60 seconds. Try to complete 3 sets. A quick tip. Doing this in the morning is a great way to activate your muscles for the day. If you do it in the evening, it can help release tension and even improve your sleep. This exercise is so effective because it trains your lower body, core, and cardiovascular system at the same time. It builds what we call integrated resilience, teaching your body to work as one coordinated, powerful system. Now, let's talk about how to fit this into your daily routine. The exercises in step 2 are absolutely essential for improving your balance, making your walking more stable, and keeping your knees healthy. All you need is about 10 to 15 minutes a day. When you combine this with the exercises from step 1, the total time is less than 20 minutes. Tease gradual, consistent practice is the key to gaining functional independence, building real-world strength, and boosting your confidence. And remember, champions, consistency always matters more than intensity. Here at Healify Hub, our goal is to share simple, effective, and science-backed practices that prepare you for a long and active life. When you put steps 1 and those together, you get a complete isometric system that improves your posture, strength, balance, and breathing. So, I encourage you to start today. Practice these exercises daily, and you will absolutely notice a difference in how your body feels and how confident you become. We'd love to hear from you. Please share your feedback in the comments below. Let us know which step you're going to try first and what changes you start to notice. Thank you so much for watching Healify Hub. Stay strong, stay mobile, and keep practicing these life-changing movements every single day.